Home renovations are exciting. You get to reimagine your space, improve comfort, and boost your home's value. But for many homeowners in Texarkana, renovations can also turn stressful when avoidable mistakes creep in. That's where a trusted Texarkana Remodeling Company makes all the difference, helping you sidestep common pitfalls and enjoy a smoother, more successful project from start to finish. Starting without a clear plan, one of the most frequent renovation mistakes homeowners make is jumping in without a solid plan. Vague ideas like, update the kitchen, or make the bathroom nicer, often lead to confusion, delays, and rising costs. A professional remodeling company in Texarkana helps you define your goals early. They guide you through layout decisions, material choices, timelines, and priorities so everyone is aligned before work begins. With a clear roadmap, surprises are minimized and results are more predictable. Underestimating the budget, many homeowners focus only on visible upgrades, new cabinets, flooring, or fixtures, without accounting for behind-the-scenes costs. Structural repairs, plumbing updates, electrical work, and permits can quickly add up if they're not planned for. An experienced Texarkana Remodeling Company creates a realistic budget up front. They help you understand where your money goes, identify cost-saving alternatives, and avoid last-minute expenses that can derail your project or force compromises. Choosing the wrong materials. Not all materials are created equal, especially when it comes to Texarkana's climate. Cheap flooring that warps, paint that fades, or countertops that stain easily can lead to regret and replacement costs. Local remodeling professionals recommend materials that balance durability, style, and long-term value. They consider humidity, daily wear, and maintenance needs so your renovation still looks great years down the road. Ignoring function for style. It's easy to fall in love with trendy designs online, but what looks good doesn't always work well in real life. Poor kitchen layouts, insufficient storage, or awkward lighting can make daily living frustrating. A Texarkana Remodeling Company designs with real homeowners in mind. They focus on traffic flow, storage solutions, accessibility, and lighting so your renovated space looks beautiful and works for your lifestyle. DIYing complex work. While DIY projects can be rewarding, taking on electrical, plumbing, or structural work without professional expertise can be risky and costly. Mistakes here often lead to code violations, failed inspections, or safety hazards. Professional remodelers ensure all work meets local building codes and safety standards. Their experience helps prevent errors that could require expensive fixes later, or impact your home's resale value. Poor communication during the project. Miscommunication between homeowners and contractors is a major source of frustration. Unclear expectations, missed updates, or unapproved changes can quickly create tension. A reliable Texarkana Remodeling Company prioritizes communication. Regular updates, clear timelines, and open discussions keep you informed and confident throughout the renovation process. Focusing only on short-term results. Some homeowners renovate with quick fixes in mind, overlooking long-term durability and efficiency. This can mean higher maintenance costs or reduced comfort over time. Remodeling professionals take a long-term view, recommending energy-efficient upgrades, durable materials, and designs that adapt to future needs, helping you get the most value from your investment. Avoid the stress. Renovate with confidence. Home renovations don't have to be overwhelming. By working with a skilled Texarkana Remodeling Company, you gain expert guidance, local insight, and peace of mind. Avoiding common mistakes means fewer headaches, better results, and a home you'll truly enjoy for years to come.